现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Patiko Haka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。这个月啊，我们教的这个词叫做如果嘛。This month we're teaching you the phrase if。先教大家怎么说。
那嘿，
that's if. And it's also the month of Father's Day here in Taiwan. 在台湾父亲节就是这个月哦。有的时候有一些年轻人呢，因为在外地工作，
对，
很难回家。其实爸爸都会有一点失落，
真的哈，都失落在心里，不敢开口。
对，或许他嘴巴会说没关系，好好年轻人打拼赚钱，
对，打拼赚钱要紧，
可是还是希望看到孩子们
对，
所以如果可以回家，爸爸一定很开心。Yeah, a reminder that if you can go back home, please go back home and let's put you in that scenario for Father's Day, okay? 好，明天就是父亲节了 ，Tomorrow is Father's Day.
天公日，
天公日，
就是父亲节嘞，
就是父亲节嘞。OK， 父亲节就是父亲节 ，That's Father's Day。父亲 ，That is father。OK， 我要加班不能回去耶，你看就是有这种状况。OK，I have overtime to do. I have a lot of work. I can't go back.
我愛加班，
我愛加班，
唔得轉去呢，
唔得轉去呢。OK， 不能回去呢，是這個意思。I can't go back. That's what it meant. And 加班叫做
加班。
加班 That means to put in overtime to do extra work. 但如果你可以回來，爸爸一定會很開心。好，我們教這一句啦，哈。那係，
早得轉來，阿爸一聽，會動歡喜
，OK， 很開心，就
動歡喜
That means be very happy. 在這裡，我們剛剛講父親叫做
阿爸，
但之前我們叫是
父親節，父親節。
對 ，There's actually two ways of saying father, right? It's papa or father, like in English, right? 那中文也是，客語也是，要阿爸就爸爸啦，還是父親啦 ？All right, so if you can go back, then please go back. All right, he'll be very happy. Now let's review some of these phrases, such as 父親節。父親節 that means Father's Day. 加班 to work overtime.
加班
And then finally 很開心
動歡喜
that means to be very, very happy. And make that if a reality, please, okay? So 如果怎麼說呢？
那係
And now you know. That is today's Practical Haka.
什麼大家？
漢字四張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.